Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to play Flushin Frenzy and I'm back with my mommy and daddy today.
Hello everyone.
And as you can see, Daddy wanted to fit earrings on his ears like me because I have this reindeer ring.
And we're twins.
And
Don't
we're
worry,
twins.
these are fake.
These are fake. And here is
Oh, there's the game.
Flushin Frenzy.
Flushin Frenzy.
Flushin Frenzy.
It's a tongue twister.
It's a So first, what you do is you have this little flush and our poop prank stuff.
Whoa! What? What?
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing. What?
Yeah, what's that?
Oh.
Gems.
Parents, we didn't have these kind of games when we were younger. We were taught not to play with this.
Because they're poop all
I
for my
know.
gems.
Okay, how do we play this?
How do we play is we have a little flush, we bit the dice.
The dice goes in
And
there.
it has like a number, it's like, I got a 2. So you pick the plus. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it a million times so you can.
We'll probably turn it closer to us.
Do it,
though,
do
when
it.
we do it. See if yeah, and then you're
Guys, replay that! Mommy, replay that.
Okay,
Mommy,
replay.
replay that! I catch it without Mommy seeing.
oh.
Replay that!
So we'll turn it around in front of us so we can catch it. So the whole
Let's
thing
show
is-
them up close.
So we all have to try. And whoever catches the poop wins what? Show them what's in the back. So in the back it comes
With
with
tokens!
Oh, cool.
so hopefully we'll be able
Which
to
is
declare.
this guy in the back has an earring on him. Let's play rock, paper, scissors, okay?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I go first.
You go first.
The instructions said something a little bit different. We're gonna try to play as close to the rules as possible, but
Are we ever playing by the rules?
never.
No.
Okay, Makayla's turn.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so how do you play again?
2.
2.
Okay.
Okay, so what the thing is, whoever catches the poop wins the token.
3! Oh my god! It like started 1, 2, 3!
It's a replay that.
Instant
Replay that!
Replay that!
Replay that!
Okay, here we go. Okay, now kids out there, dads are professionals at this. We experts. Hey, I
Hey,
didn't
you
even
didn't
go.
go! Okay, ready? Try to catch it. If it goes, no, don't cheat. Put your hands down like this. No cheating.
Tricked you.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Ah, you've been cool.
Okay, we gotta get ready. Oh man.
Oh, thank you. I got a token.
Thanks a lot, sister.
Let's leave it in the middle so it's fair.
When I was little, did Daddy catch it?
Replay. One-handed center field catch.
Daddy gets a token.
What happened?
Go on. We always forget how this could go.
I have 0. They have 1.
Okay, I got an idea to make it fair. Because Dad has a reflex of a cheetah. It's unfair. So my idea is this.
No, of a sloth, guys.
Okay. So they want to wake up. Okay, so here's my idea.
Can we ever get this started?
Yes. Okay, but
Let's just leave it in the middle though, so it's fair.
okay. You have to be ready. Oh, there's a
Oh,
sloth.
there's a sloth back.
Sloth in the house.
2.
2. Dad's turn. You have to have cheetah like.
Your
Reflexes.
turn.
When's Dad's turn?
No, you went first.
Okay, we're just keeping the sloth.
Okay.
Gary, get your hand. Get your hands up. Oh! try again. And that's how we
I
break.
did not get a token yet. And
Replay. That's how we break all the games we do. Dad jokes. Is that dad jokes? Okay, here we go. Oh, one token. Okay, you get the token. Okay, go, wild child. Okay, come on. So we all got one
token each.
I thought we broke it.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
So remember, any companies want us to test their games to see if we break them, send them over. We should take pieces from all the games and make something.
Oh God.
Okay, ready? Was that a good idea? Okay, go. This is a 2-flusher. 1.
3, 2, 1.
Get ready. Get ready. Trick you.
I don't think we're even going by the rules right now. Okay,
Ready?
wake me up when you guys are done so we can play
Ready?
again.
Ready? Here it goes. Look, look. Yeah! She did it first try.
2 tokens.
You saw it here first, folks. No, thank you.
You like to see my earring?
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful.
Instant replay! Did you see that?
Silly.
That was amazing!
That's a nervous laugh.
Cheetah reflexes.
That's a I'm not laugh.
Hey, is that why our toilets are always broken? Okay, here we go, Makayla. Okay, Makayla's next.
No,
No,
it's
it's
your
you.
turn.
Oh,
Here.
Sorry, I was asleep over here.
nothing. I'm just saying how young I am. Okay, 3. Oh! I think because you both instant replay, you both caught it.
I got it too.
Okay,
She gets a point
okay,
too.
you get a point too.
Ow! Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? All right,
3.
get ready.
3.
Oh!
Interception. Is that what it's called?
But you have to catch it though. You have to catch it. Kind of a cool concept.
What? Poop flying out the toilet?
Yeah, but I think no.
Guys, never let poop fly out of the
Yeah, this is not how it really goes, guys.
No, what would be cool is if it had
Potty
like
trainers out
it
there.
had like three different locations and you didn't know
I
which
did
one
it.
it was coming out of.
Yeah.
Ah, contact me, whoever made this. I got
Game
ideas.
game designers.
Here, you gotta get ready.
toilet.
Keep your eye on the prize. You guys gotta be up here. Oh!
Okay.
I'm waiting for it to go down.
Guys, everybody,
What?
pot to go freeze. Let's do the final round.
Round around.
So, if each of us catch,
Okay, what's
One.
the new rule?
if anybody catches the poop, you are the winner, and if somebody oh, the fly. Is the fly trying to get it on camera? Whoever wins.
You already won, so it's between me and Dad.
No, there's 1 second left.
I know.
Oh my.
You have 3. You have 3.
Okay, who's the loser? Yeah, Mom.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Flushin Frenzy Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Bye. But don't forget to get this game, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and remember, subscribe. Hurry, click 1. Click subscribe before they disappear. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you for
And
watching.
get a poop too.
Have fun with your families. Ooh.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my Bye gosh. Bye. Bye guys, I hope you
The giggles. Okay, ready, go.